Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a quick update regarding the Billions airdrop. We might see the Billions airdrop TGE soon and their ticker is BILL. If you open the Billions dashboard, you'll notice at the top they have a new event where you can earn 1000 BILL tokens. Basically, there are two tasks. By completing the first task, just simple registration, you will get 10 BILL tokens when the Billions network token launches. The second task involves claiming a 3R card. Based on that, you get 10,000 BILL tokens plus $10. But this 3R card is not free, it costs $20. Also remember, the 3R card is available only for limited countries, so we are going to complete the free one. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. Now scroll down a bit and here in the upcoming rewards section you'll find the task to get the free 10 BILL tokens. First you need to come to this page, which link I'll provide in the description. First you need to sign up using your email. Then choose any username you want and click on get username. I faced an error on my PC while signing up, so if you also face this error, just try using your mobile. So the next step I'll show on mobile. On the mobile app, again you need to sign up using your email. After that, choose your username and click on create account. As you can see, the registration is complete. Next, click on continue. Skip some other steps. And already $10 is showing in the account. Now I have created an account, so I go back to the PC again. Now we need to copy the username, which you'll find here. Copy it. Then go back to the Billions dashboard and click on verify eligibility. Now you need to verify your username. Paste the username here and click on verify. As you can see, I've got 10 billion tokens. Now if you want to claim 1000 billion tokens, what you need to do is go to the card section on the Tria website and apply for your card from there. But I'd recommend not investing and doing only the free tasks. Most importantly, check whether your country is available or not. So that's a quick update for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.